Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Tetrapod by Palfly Kampling. So this continues our thermometer theme week. So each puzzle this week will be thermometers plus some other constraint, in this case, plus quadruples. So let's go over the rules here. We have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules, meaning in every row, every column, and every 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. We also have these thermometers in the grid. Imagine like a mercury thermometer where there's the bulb and then there's the stick coming out of it. And the mercury pulls at the bottom, and as it gets hotter, the mercury rises. So the numbers increase as you go up, and that's the same with these thermometers. Starting from our bulb, we need the lowest number on the thermometer, maybe a 2. And then we have to just keep getting bigger as we move along. So we could go to 3, but we don't have to be consecutive. We could go 5 and then 6, for example. So this would be a valid way to fill this thermometer. Not the only valid way, but it is a valid way. So that's how thermometers work. Additionally, we have these quads in the grid. Quads are these circles with numbers in them that touch 4 cells. That's why they're called quads. And what it means is that the numbers in the circle must appear at least once each in the surrounding cells. So I could do 2, 2, 5, 5 if I wanted. That would be allowed. I could do 2, 5, 1, 4. We have a 2 and a 5. That's allowed. What I can't do is like this here, where we're missing the 5 entirely. We need to have at least 1 5 somewhere around here. So, and then now we would need at least 1 2. So this would violate the quad. And that's it. Those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself. And I'm going to get started right now. All right, this 2 2 draws my eye. We need 2 2s. So it's going to be like this or like this, but you can immediately see the problem with this because it's on a thermo. And we can't have 2 twice on the thermo. And this cell could never be a 2 because we go 2, 1, and then what? 0? We don't have 0. So the 2s end up here. And that does force this to be a 1 because it has to be smaller than the 2. These are not very forced, though. They're just 3 or larger. But they cannot be 1, and these can't be 1. And so the 1 ends up in one of these two. That points up along with this one, putting a 1 over here. All right, that's a start. 2 and 5 here are not really helpful as far as I can tell. So if you think about it, the largest this cell can be is 3. If we tried to do 4, we'd go 4, 5, 6, and then have nothing. So, and this can't be a 2, so this is 1 or 3 only. This also can't be a 2, so this, normally this could be 2, 3, or 4, but it can't be 2. So it's down to 3 or 4 only. 5 would be too big, as you can see. We'd have to put a 6 there. And so now this being 3 or 4, this has to be bigger than at least the 3. So it's 4 or 5, because it can't be 6. 6 would be too big. And then now this is 5 or 6. So that's how we would pencil this thermometer. We can't say a whole lot about that other than 1 and 2 are missing from it in this column. So 1 and 2 are 2 of the digits of these 3. How about this thermometer? This cannot be 1 or 2. There we go. So this has to be a 3, and then we just follow that along. 4, 5, 6. All right, we just got a bunch of digits. What do we do with those? The 6 in this box now has to go here, and that does let us place the 1 that we had corner marked. We need a 2 in this box, which goes here, and then now this is the 5. Okay, so this doesn't have a 6 on it, so that does limit it. This is now 3, 4, 4, 5. In fact, the whole column just needs 3, 4, 5. This column needs a 4 and a 6. Okay. We have a 3, 4 pair in this row, kind of magically, which means this can't be a 3. So that's our 1 and that's our 1. And the remaining 2 digits for this row are 5, 6. Okay, this 5 though, these 5s are not in this quad, right? This 5 says not here. So this quad needs a 5. It's going to end up in one of these 2 cells, which means this can't be 5, and it also means this can't be 5. We get 4, 3, 5. We get our 5 and our 6 and our 4. This resolves because this can't be 3 anymore. So this is 4, 5, 6. That places the 5 here. We need a 2 as well. Can't be here, so the 2 ends up there. And then now this is our 3. Now I think we just plonk the rest of the digits. We need 1 and 2 up here. They go like that. We need 3 and 4 down here. And plonk those. Down here we need 3 and 6, like that. Here we need 2 and 4, like that. And we need the 1 and the 3. And we're done. All right, I will embed the solution here. Let's just do that right now. Cool. So cool. Thanks, Palfly. I enjoyed that. Really nice demonstration of both thermos and how the quads can affect them. I enjoyed that. This ending here was interesting with the 2-5, how the 2 and 5 ended up restricted down here. So that was neat as well. Hope you enjoyed this as well. And if you did, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.